First of all, thank you. Out of the millions of videos out there, you chose this one, and that means more to me than you know. You came here searching for real answers, and I promise to give you exactly that, in less time than you expect. So, are you ready for the first big question of today's topic? Let's dive in. Many of us are fighting a problem. Maybe it's health, maybe it's energy, maybe it's digestion. Once you know the solution, the next step is to go to the root and remove it completely. But here's something most people forget. If you live with your family, tell them. Why? Because if your lifestyle is part of the cause and they live the same lifestyle, then everyone is exposed to the same risk. Let them know so they can understand, not argue, but support you. And if your family doesn't believe you, show them this video. This is my message to them. Your son or daughter loves and respects you deeply. Please listen to them, understand their struggle, and give them the chance to heal. If you can't tell your family directly, message me. My Instagram link is in the description. It's free. If my guidance helps you even a little, join our family here. We've got more natural healing, exclusive tips, and simple life-changing habits coming every week. Before you start your healing journey, understand this. Find the real cause first. Heal from the root, your biggest ally, your body's own self-healing power. When that power is active, your body repairs itself. When it's shut down, no medicine will work. So learn to listen to your body. Don't eat just because it's mealtime. Eat when your body says it's hungry. If hunger is light, eat light. If hunger is strong, eat a little more. But always choose plant-based foods first, then simple home-cooked meals, and keep processed foods last. This isn't a magic overnight cure. Disease takes time to develop. It also takes time to heal. Give it at least 7 days to feel small changes. Most people see real progress in 21 days and full recovery in 3 months if you stay consistent and disciplined. That's it for today's video. If it helped you, drop a comment. It means a lot. Remember, making videos like this takes work, but helping you is worth it. This is Dr. Spidey reminding you, your body was built to heal itself. Trust it, respect it, and let it do its job.